Hello friend, good morning. So let's see and explore to with me. I am right now in Siam temple, which is also built by terracotta, and we can see the design, architecture and architecture of this temple is also so unique, which was built during the 1997 AD. So let's see and explore together with me and stay update with me. So really it also a very good and ancient and oldest temple in West Bengal, Kolkata in Bishnupur. So I don't have any words regarding this temple, how I can explain in words. So it's so amazing. We can look the design of this temple, and the decoration of the temple is made by hand at that time in 1997. So really it's a very unique temple, and stay and explore together with me. Thank you so much.
So in this time I just came to visit the Panch Ratna Syam Rai temple, which is located in Bishnupur, dedicated to Krishna Syam Rai, which was built in 1643 AD by the king Raghunath Singh. So it's the temple stand on the low square plinth and consists of an ambulatory pathway with a porch opened by three arcs on the four sides of the temple. So the central Shikhar is octagonal, which on the rest four are square, and the wall are richly decorated with the terracotta carvings featuring aspect of the Lord Krishna's life. So it's a very unique temple also here, which is located in Bishnupur, which is listed as UNESCO World Heritage Site in the year of 1983. So even we know also about that this temple is located in Bishnupur, which is a town located in the Bankura district in West Bengal, and Bishnupur is famous for many temples, terracotta, rich heritage and cultural. So many terracotta temples which were built by Raja Jagat Malla and his descendants, and the first temple built in terracotta by the Jagat Malla in 1900, and temple was a Mrinmoyi temple. So really there are lots of temple which is made by terracotta, like earth and land, burn land by earth. So let's see and explore together with me. I am also going to explore lots of temples here, and even there is also a small lots of monument that is so old in here, like there is also a Vishnupur gate and also so many gates available here. Pancharatna Syam temple, and still I have to visit the Jor Bangla temple, Radha Syam temple, Ma Mrinmoyi temple, along with the Lalji temple, Madan Mohan temple, and Madan Gopal temple, and so many temple here. Even Dr. Basiswar Bosi Sen house is also located here. That is a Dr. Basiswar Sen was an Indian agriculture scientist who was also born in Bishnupur only. That the home of Basiswar Bosi Sen house was visited by also so many legendary and person, like one of them is the Ma Sarda Devi, who also visited the home of Dr. Basiswar Bosi Sen house. So even he was a pioneer of the Green Revolution movement that changed the food landscape of India by growing abundant food grains, thereby reducing the possibility of the farming in the country. So his wife has.
It's a very unique and amazing temple we can see. So I am also feeling so amazing here after visiting and learning and gaining the knowledge regarding this temple, Syama temple, which is located in Bishnupur in West Bengal. That is a site of the UNESCO. So really it's a very good experience today I got here. So stay together with me and explore. Thank you so much.
So the wife of Dr. Basiswar Bosi Sen, who was an great Gertrude Emerson Sen, was an American author and the specialist in Asia, and also Dr. Basiswar Bosi Sen, who founded the Vivekanand Laboratory in the Almora region of Himalaya, that is present time located in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. So he was a friend of many notable people such as the Jawaharlal Nehru, poetry Rabindranath Tagore, Julian Huxley, and the D.H. Lawrence. So Sen was also associated with the Ramakrishna Krishna Vivekananda movement, as well as the with Jagdish Chandra Bose, the Indian scientist, and the sister Nivedita, who was the writer, orator, and the direct disciple of the Swamiji. So even the government of India also awarded him the third highest civilian award in honor of Padma Vibhushan in 1957. So really he was a very great person. So now comes on the temple. We can see the temple. Really lots of temples are decorated very well in the same things like made by terracotta in the different style in different temples in Bishnupur. And also still I have to visit some temples such as the Madan Gopal temple, Madan Mohan temple, and the also Lalji temples, Jod Bangla temples, Radha Syam temples, Ma Mirmoi temples. Even Ma Mirmoi temple was oldest in all temples as which stand as the testament to the Bishnupur Associated Heritage, constructed in 1997 C by Mala King Jagat Mala. So really that is a very good, and we can see just I came outside from the temple of Syam Rai temple. So lots of sellers and shopkeepers are selling the things and object which is made by the soil and earth-bound soil. So really it is a very great moment for me. I am feeling outside here, so I am also trying to buy something for my memory of Bishnupur where I visit. So we can see lots of pets, animals, decoration of things there that is made by the soil they are selling here. So really it's a very good things, and also they are saying lots of things which is made by the soils, also like earth lamp, diyas, and many more things, pots. So once again thank you so much.